sin shall be for me. Number 2, you shall not take the name of Lord in vain. Number 3, you shall not remember to keep holy the Lord's day. Number 4, honor your father and your mother. Number 5, you shall not steal. Number 6, you shall not commit adultery. Number 7, you shall not steal. Number 8, you shall not bear false witness against your neighbor. Number 9, you shall not covet your neighbor's wife. Number 10, you shall not covet your neighbor's good.
60% shinier hair. Don't Get hair
Ako lang daw ang
walang shine with Cream Silk.
How do I stay so young? Through healthy living. And this new Palm Oil Naturals Forever Young shampoo. Its formula has keratin extract and natural argan oil. Makes my hair young so about its strand. And when my hair looks young, I feel young. Have a great hair day.
Sigurado ka? Ilan to? Huli!
Ang galing Pambanyo Argentina ang Alejandro with active brain building coating
Nakapicture
that
na
helps
ako,
mental
na
alertness.
ako. Edi 5! Ang galing, no? Picture na.
Ang
Video
galing
to.
Andale!
Video ba yan? Sige, sige.
Ngayong gabi, may tanong si Ana ng Manila.
Pwede ba ako magka-strong tape? Parang 5 years.
For strong